Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I am partnering with Kokoro Care package to get inspired you to make Japanese food easily on a daily basis. Kokoro Care brings you premium Japanese seasonings, noodles, and teas from Japan. Their selection of quality seasonings are made by the traditional manufacturing process. I love using this kind of quality seasonings for a simple dish like I will introduce you today. First, let's make easy Tsukemono with Shio Koji. Peel and cut your daikon and carrot into sticks. Put it in a Ziploc bag, and cucumber goes in. Pour in 2 tablespoons of Shio Koji. Shake and rub the bag to distribute Shio Koji evenly. Shio Koji is relatively new to us, even though it is made of traditional condiments. Koji is used in miso production, as you see in my video. Shio Koji is a fermented seasoning, creates deep flavor and umami by marinating overnight. Keep the bag in the refrigerator to marinate. I recommend marinating for 2 days, but you can enjoy it after 24 hours of marinating. Finish eating within a week. The Japanese Tsukemono contains probiotics that boost the immune system to protect yourself from COVID-19. Next, let's make miso soup with dashi powder. Add in a teaspoon of dashi powder and 2 cups of water. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Turn the heat off, add in miso of your choice. I add my homemade miso today. I don't want to boil the miso to keep the good property, just leave it until the miso loosens and start to dissolve. Set aside until all set. Next, Yuzu-miso tofu Dengaku. Cut your firm tofu into half an inch square, line them on a sesame oil greased tray. Pop in the toaster oven and cook until the surface dry and start browning. Drop Yuzu-miso on top directly from the pouch and cook again until fragrant. Next, Tamagoyaki. I have shown you how to make Tamagoyaki several times, but I haven't done with dashi powder. Mix half a teaspoon of dashi powder, 2 teaspoons of water, little bit less teaspoon of light soy sauce. Beat egg well until the egg yolks and egg white well mixed. Add in dashi mixture and beat well. Heat your tamagoyaki pan and grease the surface. This is my relatively new tamagoyaki pan made of copper. Pour in 1/3 of the egg mixture and run the egg mixture all over the surface. Fold the omelette towards you. And grease the surface and slide it to the other side. Grease and pour the next 1/3 egg mixture and run the mixture underneath the omelette. Cook until the egg about to cook through, but still wet on the surface. Fold and slide to the other side. Japanese professional chefs like to use this copper tamagoyaki pan because it makes a fluffy and moist tamagoyaki. but it requires a certain technique to use it, so I don't recommend it for a beginner. You can see my recommendations on my Amazon store. Repeat the process and it's done. Take out and cut into 4. Cut diagonally if you like. Next, vegan Caprese Salad. First, let's make tofu marinated in Shio Koji. I call it vegan mozzarella as it tastes like fresh cheese. This is one of my parents' favorite, light and healthy. Wrap tofu in a paper towel. Put the dish on the tofu to remove moisture from the tofu, and it makes cheese-like texture. After a few hours, unwrap the paper towel and apply 2 teaspoons of Shio Koji and wrap in a plastic wrap and marinate overnight or up to a week. Cut into chunks before serving. Add to your salad for your healthy side dish. Drizzle rice vinegar in the Kokoro Care package. You can drip and drizzle from the bottle. It's ideal for using the vinegar on the table. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil, and there you have it. I can eat big bowl of this salad, and it's good for your holiday side dish. Next, wakame in sesame vinegar, in Japanese, gomazu. It's a traditional side dish served with a rich taste dish like tempura or teriyaki to neutralize the palate. Today I use fresh wakame seaweed. Pour over boiling water to cook quickly and drain. Rinse under running cold water and chill in the icy cold water. In this way, you can get crunchy texture. You can use rehydrated dried wakame seaweed or salted wakame. Squeeze out excess moisture and cut into bite size. The center part is a little bit too firm to eat. Use the leafy part of the wakame for this dish. The firm part is good for miso soup or stir fry. Transfer to a dish and set aside while making vinegary sauce. Shake half a teaspoon of dashi powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar and rice vinegar. Sprinkle sesame seed and drizzle the vinegary sauce. And there you have it. I like the vinegar's mild sourness, and I like the big batch. It's a good idea adding soy sauce to make it milder. Now let's assemble on the dish with onigiris. Let me show you how to make onigiri for those who new here, or for those who always ask me how to shape onigiri. To make the triangle onigiri, wrap hot steamed Japanese rice in a piece of plastic and gently squash and shape into a triangle. Keep your right hand triangle and give gentle pressure from both sides with the left hand. To make a round shape, keep your right hand rounded and give gentle pressure from the both sides with your left hand. Wrap around with nori seaweed and press it on the dish. Place Tamagoyaki, tofu Dengaku, and Tsukemono in the center. Dissolve miso in the miso soup. Reheat miso soup and serve just before boiling. Add dried wakame seaweed if you want. There you have it. Onigiri and tamagoyaki breakfast is served. Drop just a little bit of soy sauce on tsukemono to enhance the flavor. Let me taste the miso soup first. We start eating from the miso soup, always. The soup is so aromatic. It's full of katsuo flavor. It's not like granuled dashi powder. Has a full of aroma. It's so delicious. Dashi is the fundamental ingredient for us, so the good dashi makes us so happy. Holidays are just around the corner. It's nice sending a tasteful gift to your friends and families. It's difficult time to get together. Expressing your gratitude with a gift has special meanings this year. And of course, subscribe for yourself for the monthly subscription and you will find all natural Japanese food for your healthy eating. Click the link down below and you can get the 10% off from the Kokoro Care package. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!